Hey guys, how's it going? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a splash screen. In this case, we're going to do the Instagram splash screen. So let's start by creating a splash screen activity. Let's go to new activity, empty activity, and here splash screen activity. So in this class, the only thing we need to do is create an intent that goes from splash screen activity to main activity. Let's write val new intent equals intent, and let's import the intent package. Here we write this and main activity class.java. Then we start this intent and we finish the activity. This is because when we are in main activity, we don't want to go back to splash screen activity. If we are in main activity and we press the back button, we want to leave the app. So now we can close the splash screen activity. So now let's go to Android manifest and let's make the splash screen activity the activity that launches with the app. So right now the main activity is the one that launches with the app. So to make the change, let's just switch places. Okay, so now the splash screen is the one that launches with the app. So now let's make the design for the splash screen. Okay, let's go to res drawable. Here you can see I already copied an image for the Instagram splash screen. So I'm going to leave a link below with this project. You can just download it and copy this image. So let's create a new drawable that's called splash screen background. And here let's make the design. Let's create a layer list. And here we have two items. The first one is just a white background. Drawable equals Android color white. And then let's create another item that shows the image I just showed you. Drawable Instagram, but we also have to set gravity center, so this image is centered on the screen, and also shrink its size because it's too big. We have to make the image smaller but respecting the image aspect ratio. So let's write width 98 dp and height 138 dp. Okay, perfect. So that's it for this drawable. So now let's create the splash screen theme. Let's go to values and here let's create the theme. Style, name, splash screen theme. This will extend from app theme and we'll only have one attribute. Item, window background, and this is drawable splash screen background. Okay, and the only thing left is to go to Android manifest and set this splash screen theme as the theme for splash screen activity. So here, let's write theme splash screen theme, and that will be it. Let's run the app. So everything's looking good. The only thing left is to try to use the back button, and we see that we leave the app. We're not going back to splash screen activity, which is exactly what we wanted. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment. And see you in the next video.